Hello everyone, welcome to Learning with Harry. So it will just take 45 seconds to show you the trick which I would like to present today. Like you can convert these numbers into the percentage. Suppose someone who's not aware about that trick, he or she can go to this. Either you can go to Home tab and press the percentage. See what the biggest mistake I have done. I have converted numbers with the percentage but which are not totally correct. So I'm just doing undo. There's one shortcut which you can press, like just go anywhere, press 1%, or you can say write 1% and copy this percentage. Select your data which you would like to convert from numbers to percentage. Press shortcut to reach out to paste special dialog box and you have a multiply option. Now what it will do, it will multiply my 1% with every number and I will get my desired percentage which I was looking for actually. So this is a trick which many of you not aware. Just share with your friends and colleagues, and subscribe my channel guys. Thank you so much. Take care.